Hey all, welcome to another tutorial on I Code for Health. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to launch Dragon on your PC. I believe you've already downloaded Dragon, and if you've not, all you have to do is visit dragon-lang.org. I'll put the link in the description. So now I have the Dragon file. I've downloaded the Dragon file. It's located right here. So I'm going to click on it to extract. Then you should be seeing this. I need to double click on this. The extraction will begin. Then you wait a minute. Then you select your language. In this case, I'm going to be using English. Then you click OK. Then you click next. Then choose a specific location for it. I'm going to make it stay in the desktop folder so that it will be easy for you to navigate when trying to find the path. Now you click next. Simple as ABC. The installation is finished. So now let's go to the desktop and look for the Dragon file. So okay, this is it here. Double click. Now I should be seeing this, the Dragon language. We go have the Dragon and the Dragon native. Now the reason why this Dragon native here is showing because I've downloaded Dragon native and I've also extracted it, but in this case I'm going to be using Dragon for now. So to test Dragon, we need to copy the path. All you have to do is click on this place, then copy the path, then open up your CMD. I like my CMD in color green, so I'm going to give it that. Then you write CD, then the path, and click. Now we're in the path. Now when you write Dragon, you should be getting some basic things about it. So now we are progressing. Now we need to launch our Z Dragon editor. You can download that from the official website. So I'm going to launch my so it's loading. I'm just going to wait for some minutes. Okay, now this is the pop-up. Now it has a basic hello world for us. So all we have to do is save this. Make sure you save your file in the Dragon folder. Yes. In the Dragon folder. So I'm going to save this as new file.d. You don't need to add the .dgm because here it is already saving as a Dragon file. Then we have to save. So now you have to click this run button. It will open up the terminal. Now you can see it works fine. We have our hello world here, but instead of using this, we can also use another one. You don't have to go to our CMD again, and we need to just press Dragon -run, then new file .dgm. So when I click now, you should be seeing hello world. This is how to run and execute your Dragon files on your system. So I believe after watching this, you won't be getting any confusion about how it works. But now let me also show you some basic things here. When I click Dragon, then the shell. Now you should be seeing the Dragon shell. Right here I can just input show hello. Now you should be having this. What if I type 2 + 2? Okay, it didn't work. It's an expression. Maybe I should have added it. Then let me try it again. Dragon shell. Alright, what if I do show 2 + 2? Now we should be getting 4. I thought it was actually going to work like Python, but it didn't. So you can also use the shell just as if you are using Python. Then let's look at the show time. Dragon show time. So this will help you check the time your code was executed. But instead of using this, you can use the Z Dragon shell. This will show you everything about how it was executed. Now you can see 20 milliseconds, 47 milliseconds. Execution time is just 4 milliseconds, which is not up to a second yet. That is really nice. Alright, so this is the last tutorial now for today. You guys should follow up on the link, follow up on everything I put in this description, and also follow up the channel so that you can get latest tutorial on Dragon. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks.